Are your Epson apps crashing due to the Fufaxrcv module DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer, and I'm going to diagnose that error and fix it now. Before we walk through the Fufaxrcv module troubleshooting, you can access a utility focused on providing a clean system environment. This is the Fufaxrcv module. This specialized module belongs to Epson PC-FAX utilities bundled with certain multifunction printers. It handles background fax reception, data decoding, and secure routing of incoming transmissions to the desktop environment. Residual startup references are common after incomplete printer driver removals, which can produce recurring Windows login errors such as module missing tied to orphaned Epson Fax services. Now that the technicals are covered, let's run the official installer. Application-level DLL errors like this are usually resolved by performing a fresh reinstall of the affected software. Reinstall the current official version of Epson to replace Fufaxrcv module and refresh the program's runtime files. When a standard reinstall doesn't cut it, we move to advanced diagnostic steps to ensure the system is properly configured. A full system restart ensures that no background processes are currently locking the Fufaxrcv module file. A fresh boot allows Windows to reinitialize its library map from a clean state. Take a second to bookmark this page or hit the like button before restarting. That way, you can easily resume this guide once your system has finished rebooting. With the restart confirmed as ineffective for this instance, let's analyze the registry settings next. If you need to pause the video while navigating the registry editor, feel free. Since a standard reinstall didn't fix the library error, we need to perform an integrity check on the host program. If you are using a launcher like Steam or Epic, use the Verify Integrity of Game Files tool. For standalone apps, manually delete the application folder in your local app data directory before reinstalling to ensure no corrupted files are locked in the cache. Why are we doing this? Well, standalone installers often skip files that are already present or locked. Using integrity tools or clearing the app data cache forces a byte-for-byte replacement of your DLL file. Before you finalize your changes, I need to emphasize the importance of using trusted sources. Keep in mind that Fufaxrcv module DLL must be properly registered with the Windows registry. Simply dragging and dropping the file into a folder rarely fixes the root cause of the error. A professional diagnostic tool can be a valuable asset for those looking to maintain long-term system stability and file integrity. Review options for improved system responsiveness by consulting the primary tool link below for Fufaxrcv module. If Fufaxrcv module is back online, please consider subscribing. It's the best way to support our mission of providing safe, verified technical solutions.